Accounts paper 2025.
Okay. Why do you want my opinion? Okay. Normally, I thought that I should be commenting only upon the doubts, I clarified doubts through this channel. But today, of course, I would like to comment upon ISC's paper being part of ISC fraternity. First, I would like to name one person, and her name is Adarsh Vadva. She used to be our chief examiner for accountancy in ISC. Actually, from last few years, maybe 8 to 10 years, whatever manner she has been making, she has been monitoring the ISC's paper, that has actually taken the paper to such a level that has brought glory to the subject. Means if you see past few years ISC's paper of accountancy, people might say that it is tougher than the CA Foundation's paper. Okay, but I hope that the questions or the manner in which the questions are set in ISC, it has become a pattern that it used to test the application skills of the student. Now every parent wants that their child should develop this skill of application based, means what they will do in their actual life when these kinds of problems are thrown to them in any situation. Now this year there is a lot of hue and cry about ISC's paper, ISC's accountancy paper again. Now people are telling that either it was too lengthy or lot of concept based, lot of application based questions were there, source based questions were there. Now, what do you want of your child? Only score 90 and should not be in a position to solve the problems of life. Accounting is such a subject, such a practical subject by which a student is in a position to solve a lot of practical problems. So in that direction, and the new education policy NEP is also about preparing our children in such a manner that they should not be rooted to those mug-up skills. So they should come out of those skills and should think out of the box and then crack the problem. Now the leading authors' books, if people are following, there the questions are very conventional type. And if students have been practicing those problems and if they expect that the question will be in the similar manner, so what is the big challenge about scoring 90 in those kind of papers? If you can score 90 plus in this kind of paper, and within those 3 hours if you were able to solve all the concepts or remember all the concepts and apply, so I hope that the child is prepared better for future. So in that direction, those who are commenting about the paper, I have a lot of reservation. First of all, those who are not belonging to the fraternity of ISC, they should hesitate to comment first of all, and they are no one to make this announcement that all of you should come together in one platform and then protest for the students who are very average. And generally commerce in the commerce stream, we get students with little ability, with less logical ability, so therefore they will not be able to. So papers are not prepared for papers will have the questions where everyone will be able to do. I hope the 1 marker questions were so much easier in comparison to the past few years, and the questions where little application was required, if that is not there in the paper, so the paper loses its essence. And I am very happy about accountancy paper going in a different direction or going in at a level where it can also become the torch bearer for all the other subjects, make way for all the other subjects to make the paper in such a manner where it's not that easy to score. We do not want our children to become mechanical engineers. I mean, mechanical engineers means conventional type of problems if are thrown into your situation and you will be able to solve them. That is not the way to prepare our children. ISC is trying and making effort, and I will give a lot of credit to the chief examiner, Mrs. Adarsh Wadhwa, for taking the. I would keep her in Saurav Ganguly's shoes. Why? Because he brought that aggression part in Indian cricket team to fight for every matches. So similarly, she has taken this ISC accountancy to that level, where she has drawn that aura where many leading authors are also failing or faltering to prepare. I have been giving my services to my school for last 15 years in St. Agnes, Kharagpur, and I have seen students performing quite well in my ISC in accountancy paper. So in that this hue and cry for this year's paper is unwanted. I feel that paper might be little lengthy, that is justified, but rest everything is amplified. Achha, this also gives me the opportunity to make an invocation to students who are very irregular to school. I would like to make an invocation to those kind of students. Please be regular to school. I am aware that the teachers are teaching very well in ISC schools. They are doing their duty well, and they are teaching in a different manner, in the best possible manner in which they can. But if you are not regular to school, not consistently doing what is how they are preparing, so you are actually doing injustice to yourself. And if you think you can manage everything on your own without the school, outside the school, so now you have only yourself to blame. Now don't blame, don't take this opportunity and blame at least your school or teachers. I hope you should first be regular to school, be with the students, keep talking to your teachers, the manner in which they are preparing, ask your questions, and if possible, only if you ask questions in school, the teachers will be in a position to come out with more ways of giving you problem and perhaps adding the more source-based questions or giving you instructions how to face the examination, which I don't think that you might be able to get on your own. Okay, despite so much of influx of social media in this era.